Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about what is a web client. A web client is an application that communicates with a web server using hypertext transfer protocol, that is HTTP. Any web client that is designed to directly support user access to web servers is known as a user agent. Any web client that is designed to directly support user access to web servers is also known as a user agent. Browser is the most commonly used web client. The most common interface of www, that is World Wide Web, is a browser. Some examples of www are Mosaic, Netscape, Navigator, or Internet Explorer. You can think of HTTP protocol as a language of the web. It enables network devices to send and receive traffic uses using a set of simple rules. However, there's other type of protocols, that is secure shell, file transfer protocol, simple mail transfer protocol. Basically, it is a software application that allows user to access and interact with web content, services, and resources through the web browsers. Web clients are also very popular because they allows user to access web-based resources without installing specific software to their on their devices. It also provides the cross-platform compatibility. Features of the web clients: these days, all the web servers offer some standard features which aim to make internet browsing easiest way for us. In short, your choice of web client should be featured like Sport of Private, Indigo, Incognito, and browsing. It is a kind of browser where the history is not being saved. VPN or proxy support multiple tabs or windows, back, previous, forward buttons, home, refresh, and stop buttons are there. Address bars for URL and history, and bookmark. Some examples of web clients are Some popular examples of web clients include Google Chrome, MicroEdge, Safari for Tor, etc. So all types of internet browsers are client software. Video calling solutions like Zoom, Zitzi are one of the example of such clients. So some SSH clients also like Putty and WinSCP. So how web client works with a web application? This is a live example where the clients interact, like web clients interact with the server and then server integrates with the database. So this is it for the video. Web server, we can continue with our next video. Thank you.